Kia ora! Welcome to the third lesson on passive sentences. Today, we'll learn how to extend an active sentence and a passive sentence. We'll use two examples from the last lesson. Here, a boy is reading a book. Kei te pānui te tama means the boy is reading. Kei te pānuitia te puka puka means the book is being read. To include the boy and the book in the same sentence, this is how it's done. First, the active sentence. Kei te pānui te tama I te puka puka. The boy is reading the book. We use I or ki to add the object in an active sentence. Which one we use depends on the verb. We'll learn the difference in another lesson. Now the passive sentence. Kei te pānuitia te puka puka e te tama. The book is being read by the boy. We use e to add the object in a passive sentence. The second sentence, the book is being read by the boy, is more common in Māori than the first sentence. It's for this reason that passive sentences are so important. Let's see another example from the last lesson. Here, a woman is painting a house. First, the active sentence. Kei te paita te wahine I te whare. The woman is painting the house. Now the passive sentence. Kei te paitatia te whare e te wahine. The house is being painted by the woman. The second sentence is more common and natural in Māori, even though both sentences are correct. Let's practice, while also learning some new words. Tunu means to cook. Te tina means lunch. Tāne means man. How would you say this active sentence? The man is cooking lunch. Kei te tunu te tāne I te tina. And how would you say this passive sentence? Lunch is being cooked by the man. Kei te tunua te tina e te tāne. The second sentence is more common. Whakapaipai means to tidy. Te rūma means the room. How would you say this active sentence? The man is tidying the room. Kei te whakapaipai te tāne I te rūma. And how would you say this passive sentence? The room is being tidied by the man. Kei te whakapaipaitsia te rūma e te tāne. The second sentence is more common. There you have it. Now you know how to create passive sentences in Māori. Ka kite!